Want to know how to allow handoff between your Mac Mini M1, M2, M3, or M4 and your iCloud devices? This helps you start tasks on one device and continue them seamlessly on another. In this video, I'll show you how to enable handoff on your Mac Mini, so your Mac and iCloud devices work together smoothly. So let's get started. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then click System Settings. Next, click General. After that, click on AirDrop and Handoff. Now here, you will get the option called AirPlay Receiver. Here you will find the setting called Allow Handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices at the top. Now just toggle the switch to on. Now this will help you to start tasks like emails, documents, or Safari browsing on one Apple device and continuing them on another. Now just sign in to the same iCloud account on your iPhone, iPad, or other Mac. And make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on all devices. And that's it. This is how you can enable handoff on your Mac Mini M1, M2, M3, or M4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.